Guys, welcome to Rosebud Games live stream. Thank you for joining, everyone. We really missed being live, and we have lots and lots of games to show you, and we have some really cool announcements as well. So welcome, everyone. Please say hi in chat, introduce yourself, and you're gonna get access to Rosebud right away, and you'll be able to create your games. As you can see in this stream, we have Rosie in chat, and she'll be supporting our game developers with her cool comments. So that's really exciting. Let's just go ahead to the announcements part. The first one is about our education game jam. It has ended, and we have our winners. We have already celebrated them during the closeout of the Week of AI conference on Friday. This is just us again showing our winners. The first place was taken by CoCo and Lucas, and they collaborated on a project on a game that is named Pathfinder Terra's Fate that we're also going to showcase during this stream, so stick around and you'll be able to see. Then we have the second place, which was taken by Assisted Charade by GM637, and then we have the third place, which was Ferment by Adam and Clayton. And the fourth place is our community vote, which was taken by EduGuardian by Bobby. She got the most likes on Twitter. During this game jam, we had 19 amazing submissions, and it was just incredible. We also judged this game jam with Amanda and Week of AI co-hosts Michael and Jonathan. It was really nice to play games together and just be able to see how everyone reacts to each of the games. We also had a fun little thing where I was able to calculate in our team is the most generous voter, and that is Leway, actually. When you're making your game, just tag Leway so he can take a look. And the most critical one is Vladimir. Guys, you know whose comments to look out for. But yeah, it was really cool. Again, congratulations to the winners, and looking forward to seeing what you do next. Cool. So the next announcement is really exciting. It is our new Rosebud tutorial, which is hosted by Jason, our very first power user. And will learn with Jason how to create an AI character. And it's really quick and easy. Roberto is pasting the URL to the tutorial, so please check it out after the stream. And yeah, support us with a like and subscribe as always. Cool, let's go to the next one. And we've got Jason again because we have finally interviewed him for his success story at Rosebud, because I think many of users who joined early in the day know that Jason is the one who made like the first, I would say it's 20 or like 10 definitely games on Rosebud ever. And this is like our original first power user of Rosebud. So yeah, take a look at rosebud.ai/blog to read his success story, how he started at Rosebud and discovered how he currently works at some of the very extensive and big projects like AI characters, for example. All right, Leo is saying Jason, the godfather of Rosebud game dev. For sure. Yeah, cool. Let's go to the next one. And now for the juiciest, most exciting announcement. It's the last one. We've got a new game jam coming up. It is going to be, basically the duration is 1 month, from May 30th to July 1st. And the theme is right now a mystery. So we're not going to reveal the theme. It's going to be a mystery for a week, and we're going to drop some hints for you guys to guess. And you're going to have some time to, if you want to collaborate with someone, you can team up, you can write your guesses. So the first hint, as you can see here, is where is Rosie? So examine this image, and we'll also post this in the Game Jam channel as well. So yeah, already see some guesses in the chat. But yeah, really cool to see what you guys think. And for this one, we also have a 500 prize pool. So yeah, this is definitely interesting. Rosie saying so mysterious. Nice. All right, this was our last announcement. Our new big game jam is coming up. A whole month of game dev is waiting for us. So right now we're going to review our new AI games. We're going to also review top 5 submissions from the game jam as well. We have basically lots of games to review. So let's see how it goes and if we make it in time. Otherwise, we will make sure that we highlight the projects that we maybe cut for time, but hopefully not, because we planned this really hard. All right, thank you so much. And let's go to our games.
All right. So first we have Protocol Exterminate Recolored by moderator IamMagicalBlueberry. Yeah, super fun seeing this project come together. Started off as ASCII. And then recently got a recolor and some asset changes, which was fun. I'll start right now. Let me make sure volume is low. There we go. Alright, so you've got to survive as long as you can with increasingly difficult ways of these guys coming to get you. Gotta shoot them.
Yeah.
Blood all over the place.
Yes. Yes, this blood surprised me. That's what I wrote in the comments. This took me off guard, definitely.
Yeah, after a while, you can't barely see anything. Good harmony.
Nice. I'll be also inviting creators to comment.
Nice.
So if you can speak, definitely join.
Hello.
Hey.
How's it going?
Hey.
I'm doing good. I have had a very good day today. It has been very good.
Awesome.
Nice. Hopefully this adds up to it, the stream. This is definitely...
Yeah, this is fun. Haven't had a good one of these in a while, so this is fun.
Nice.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. That's a really cool one.
Yeah, I am glad to say I'm working on Protocol Exterminate 2. It is in the works.
Oh.
I will keep it quiet for now, but you're gonna get some details on that soon. Working on some good stuff for it.
Awesome.
Nice. And who knows, maybe that fits the theme of the game jam that is coming up.
It better, because it would be a winner. If it fits, I feel like it could be a winner.
Awesome.
Cool.
I will say one thing about Protocol Exterminate 2. I have discovered that I can have Rosebud allow the user to upload files. That's all I'm saying.
Uh-oh, engineers. Please. Yeah, keep that in mind.
Yeah, I'm worried.
Nice. Alright, MagicalBlueberry, maybe you shouldn't have revealed this, but yeah.
Someone else is gonna try and make something before I can get to it, but no,
Yeah,
please
they
don't.
better.
This is my thing. This is my thing. I'm making this.
Nice. Alright, thanks, MagicalBlueberry. Let's move to the next one, and you can play this with the link that Roberto is going to share in the chat.
Awesome.
Nice.
Right. Next, we also have an ASCII game template by IamMagicalBlueberry. This is great for anybody who wants to create a similar structured game. This is actually how the Protocol Exterminate got started in this kind of format. You have your character here, you walk around, and you have the ASCII to represent everything. Like the ground and...
Yeah, I made this project very simple to clone and work with. Rosie should completely understand how the ASCII works and how to add things, so you shouldn't have any issues adding stuff unless you're trying to break it.
Yeah, that's really fun. I did a couple of things with it. It was really, versatile. It was able to make everything that I asked for. So it's really nice to have this. In the future, we hope to highlight similar projects that are like templates or helper projects that have, for example, components that are useful for other people in a special section, hopefully like on the main page, so that, yeah, because these definitely deserve to be highlighted as well. Nice. Yep, let's go to the next one.
Sure. All right, next we have VoxelExplore by Carl3134. Yeah, this one is super impressive. We have a procedurally generated world. Oh, I'm stuck on the ground. There we go. Procedural generated world with different biomes. You got like the red biome, the regular one here with like new types of trees that aren't in the default version of the project. You have the blue biome over here. Yeah, super cool to see like the different types of trees in different places.
Nice.
Yeah, you can just run around, and then also there's like a sand biome which has no trees, so you can tell that you can basically there's like different types of generation for different areas, which is very cool. Let's see if I can find the sand biome.
That's really exciting. I see a lot of new users definitely who come in. They got really excited, like they just are interested in the voxel and they create a lot there specifically. So I think this is also the new user, right?
Yeah, relatively.
That's cool. Also, Kirill, I think our DJ is a little bit quiet. Maybe we can, yeah, turn it up.
Yeah, we need exploring music.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot find the sand biome.
Oh, great.
It's rare.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you so much. This is definitely exciting.
Yes.
Because you can explore just literally, you can just sit there, listen to good music and run around.
Yeah, maybe Carl can add like some hidden stuff that's hard to find so you can collect everything.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, treasure
Rosie is lost. It's not just the journey. It's not the destination. So yeah, cool. Thank you so much. Let's check out the username of the user.
Yeah, it's Carl3134.
Who created that? Nice. Thank you so much, Carl. Looking forward to more projects from you.
So, next we have a slew of games by shawnBuilds. shawnBuilds is on fire right now with the uploads.
Yeah, cool. I noticed.
Yeah. So first, this next wave. So in this game, there's waves of different increasing difficulty enemies, and you get to choose an upgrade each time. So to start, I'll choose to be faster. Here's this cube here, and then you can see in the top left your health and what wave you're on. Then you gotta shoot these boxes that are trying to get you. You gotta move your mouse over to the enemies. It auto fires.
Nice.
Yeah, it can get pretty difficult.
It's like, even if the kind of assets are just squares, but still they've got like different colors, it looks like they even have, it feels like they have some personality to them, definitely.
Yeah, true, yeah.
It's like, you start feeling like anger towards some of them for sure. Yeah, just your imagination, that's what needed here. I think Abri is like one of the like users who also uses minimal assets, at least like for the first ones. Definitely it was like some minimal going. That's really cool. It's like exploring the game mechanics like over maybe it's still super artful.
Exactly, yeah. But the shawnBuilds, like the gameplay in the game is like super impressive. I guess you can nail that and then you can work on the visuals after. Even then, I still like the style, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
This final wave, I have 2 HP.
Nice.
Hey, win.
Nice. Well done.
Awesome. This is a good warm-up.
Yeah, let's go over to the next
good warm-up
one.
because the next games are going to be Very.
Huh? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I was also playing them. Yeah. I wonder which one you think that is hard. Yeah, let's go to the
There are
next one.
two. I don't know which one is harder. Okay, stay in the ring. I like this one.
Yeah, CoCo is saying agreed. I love games with this simple style. But the sensual games are really interesting. I'll stay in the ring.
Stay in this ring. Right now, at the 12 difficulty. You're gonna try to knock you out.
Ah! I love the sound when it knocks you out. It's so physical, like. You're losing, Jason!
I gotta get to. I'm still on easy.
Look, you know what this actually reminds me of? These, like, pilot training, like, I don't know, like stuff, like Java, like games or whatever that were around the internet. I'm not sure if you, Jason, know about those.
Pilot training?
Like, you should also... Yeah, you, like, click the button, like, when the light, like, turns green or something. Not sure. Kind of
I know what you're talking about.
I love how it actually... I love how it just... Sorry, I was meant to comment that how it actually physically removes you from the place, but that's the whole point. You're getting out of the circle, so...
Yes.
Nice.
No, wait. It's stressful. Oh no.
You're getting cornered.
Oh man.
This is so exciting. This is so cool. Just the concept is really cool.
Just, again, it doesn't seem that complicated, but it's actually well designed.
Yeah, it's really fun.
This is the kind of game
is the
where
next one?
Oh, sorry, go on, Freddie.
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say, it's the kind of game where you play and you feel like you did a good job. You look at like the leaderboard, the public leaderboard, and then somebody has some crazy score that makes you look like you did.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so what were you saying? You want to check the next one?
Yeah, because the next one for me is like the hardest. I mean, if I remember it correctly, is this the one with the like snake or something like that?
Next one is BackAttack, yes, snake. This one is...
That's, I don't know, that's just mind-blowing. Yeah, let's just showcase it to users. They would feel the pain firsthand, unless you got super good at it.
No.
So you're basically a snake and you can attack, so shoot, but from your back only. And which is, see, it's like trying to do, it's literally, you're trying to do both things at the same time, just like move from them. But also attack.
You can't go back on yourself just like regular snakes, so it's so stressful.
Yeah. You're getting super good. Yes, it is so frustrating. That's like...
You keep wanting to go back, but you can't. You have to
yes.
keep going forward.
BackAttack also does BackAttack. Literally, you just do that. Nice. We don't have Sean here, but yeah, he'll be able to see the recording. Offer some comments. Oh, by the way, I think I forgot to say that we're right now also streaming on YouTube and other socials, Twitter, I think also. So yeah, you'll be able to see all of the videos there as well. Harwell is saying, I want to beat Jason's high score.
If you can beat 15, I'll spam trophy emojis for you.
Yeah, screenshots, but screenshots should be included.
Screenshots, please.
Wait, your high score is 15?
Yes.
In this stream, or is just like total? I think I was total 10. Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to be 15, I just can't.
Nice. Everyone who is right now in stream, go ahead and try to beat Jason's score. Jason will send a literal golden trophy to your house. That's already like a legally binding now contract.
Okay.
We signed it. Rosie will approve it.
Engraved solid gold.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go to the next one then.
Okay, sure.
Or you're addicted. Yeah, I see already 14.
I'm just trying to get 15. Alright. Wait, there's one. I'm missing one game. Okay, it's probably later on. There's one more from shawnBuilds. Probably my favorite one, actually.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's so sad. Yeah, maybe Roberto can post it.
Yeah, it's the one.
Yeah.
I forgot the name of it. It's the one when you have to like go to the safe zone, collect the blue squares. That one.
Got it. Just in case, we'll also show it next time.
Yeah, if it's, I think it might be later on here in there, but let's see.
Rosie's saying, I can do it. And Chao is saying, Rosie, you're an AI. That would be cheating. Oh, so it's ZoneDash. Roberto shared it, so everyone can just, check it out too.
Should I still open it? I just opened it from Discord.
I think so, if you can do it real quick. It's also a mini game. If you can open this link 3 seconds, then we will play it.
Okay. Let me remember how to play this game. You have to you can launch it, you have to collect the blue circle, or square, excuse me, but you can only move after you refresh your... When you get a blue square, it refreshes your dash and you can dash again. You can't dash twice unless you collect the blue square. So basically, so I got here safely. I have to move. I have a countdown to get back, so I have to quickly go. Okay, so now I've lost because I couldn't get to the safe zone in time. It's very stressful, but if you do a good job, it feels good. So you can't touch the red block either. So now, so if I launch like this, then I'm gonna lose. Yeah. So I'm gonna go like this. Then I'm lucky because since this actually, all right.
What are you pressing to dash though? Are you pressing a button or
I'm just clicking,
a key? Clicking?
Yeah.
That's super fascinating. Just that you got it, like how to play it, and you can play it. The rules seem kinda, complicated, but still, looks fun.
It's fun, yeah. You can't rely on the safe zone because the safe zone changes every time you click. But, yeah. But you have to, if you keep moving quickly and collecting the blue, you can keep resetting the countdown.
Nice. ShawnBuilds already has a brand of very difficult games that have squares in them. So next time you see a game similar to that, you know who made it. That's fun. All right, thank you so much, Sean.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Alright, now we have Seaside Spectrum by Radio Biscuit. Radio Biscuit also has been on a roll with lots of games.
Yes, and also same style, but also same vibe, you will also see.
Yes, true.
Yeah, that's really interesting. When people make lots of games, you can definitely already see.
So this game, you gotta this is another one of those training games Farida mentioned. Gotta find shape and then click on it quick.
Red triangle.
Triangles. Now it changes to silver triangles.
Red circles.
Yeah, and if you click the wrong thing, you get a strike.
He should implement some sort of sound cues too, when the change happens.
Yes, you're right.
Or maybe even have different sounds for different shapes and different colors, right? Blue squares. Yeah, this game is also hard.
Yes. The most annoying thing is when you're
smaller.
Oh, sorry, go on.
Do you think they're getting smaller?
They are getting smaller.
Right?
I didn't notice that before when I played it. Yeah, everything is smaller. Yeah. They're harder. Yeah.
Speed run.
These triangles.
Go 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 go.
So I guess the longer you take, the harder it'll get.
It's like chaotic Tetris. I feel like the same parts of the brain are used here as well. I wonder how small it can get. Oh my god, Jason, your high score was beat by Vazor.
What did you get? What did they get?
16.
Oh wow, 16.
Oh my god, the legend.
Wow. How long did it take you to get 16?
Yeah. Right now in chat, it will be one upping. Everyone should, get the highest score from the last person. Well, let's see where we can get by the end of the stream. We just play it in the background. We're going to be just, chill radio vibes, 5 tries, Vazers.
5. Oh boy.
That's a flex. I don't believe it.
Maybe. I probably shouldn't
But
have
yeah, screenshot has been verified. Yeah. Cool. All right, Radio Biscuit, thank you so much. I think we're going like from the latest to the, I guess, the oldest games of Radio Biscuit, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Might actually just be random order.
That works. Final score 51.
Yeah, I don't know if that's good or not, because I was missing...
Jason, you did it too early. You should have done it like at the end, because people are going to keep that. Yeah. You'll just increase the number of trophy emojis sent. That's fine.
Yeah, one more for every single person, yeah.
Alright, let's go to the next one. Jason, don't be too sad. Let's focus. The stream is happening.
Okay, sure.
You still have so many games to play. Alright,
Good
let's
point.
go.
Okay, so Munch and Match by Radio Biscuit again.
This is super cute.
Yes.
This is just like...
Gotta look at the pairs,
Nice.
remember what they are, and then quickly get all of them.
Everything has a theme. This theme is like a diner or something, right? Like
Yes.
every little item is what you get at the diner, and everything is so well rounded. Cool.
Yeah, no, Radio Biscuit
And you can do endless rounds.
does a lot of very theme-oriented games.
Yes, that's what I'm telling. Yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's go to the next one and see.
Sure.
What theme is the next one? Radio Biscuit is super into animals, right? Oh yeah. The
Monkey.
Baby Monkey Saga.
Yes.
Oh, it has ambient sounds.
Yeah. I believe it's the sound of monkeys, yeah. Okay, you gotta feed the monkey, but then somebody's trying to steal the milk.
Who is that, by the way? This character looks super scary.
I'm trying to just get him over here.
It's like a mask, right? There's some kind of masked
Yes.
villain. That's cool.
Yeah, over time he gets really fast. And the milk bottle is like very big, so you have to make sure you...
Oh, yeah. That's just so unique.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah. Harwell is saying sounds like excuses, not gonna lie. Oh my god. Why everyone is that's what I'm saying. Why everyone is trying to bully Jason, guys. He's showing you the games. You need to be more kind.
Hey, please, somebody post a good job, Jason, in the chat.
Rosie.
Yes, Rosie, please.
Oh my god. Everyone is so kind to you, Jason, now.
Awesome.
Nice. It feels super organic, right? Everyone really wanted to say that after you asked for it.
Everybody forgot to post, that's all.
Yeah, Harwell is saying, you get a good job if you get 15.
15?
On the score. No, he should get more than 15. He should get 17 now.
I don't even know that's possible.
Somebody get to say I am monkey. Cool.
Right.
Yeah, let's go over to the next one, yeah.
Alright, now we have Gamma Gorilla, Jungle Defense, Game of Radio Biscuit.
Let's go.
This game, you gotta... Every once in a while, there's like a big pulse of energy around you, and any of the poachers that go near you get zapped.
It's this green circle, right?
Yes.
It's the energy.
Then you can shrink to go faster and then grow. And I think when you shrink, you lose health, so you have to be careful. Actually, no, you don't. What happens is, it's like the speed you go decreases and increases, But if you go too small, then your zap area is going to be small too.
Oh yeah,
That's
makes
the
sense.
trade-off.
That's cool.
Yeah, and as the score goes up, you just have to get like faster. The poachers. Also, if they touch you, this helps, of course. Yeah.
Where's your health though? Oh yeah, I see.
It's at the bottom, yeah.
Nice. Roberto and Radio Biscuit should try to do a Planet of the Apes once. Harambe's Revenge.
Oh boy.
Wait, John, you know about Harambe? That's so contemporary. Oh my god, shots fired. Oh yeah, let's go and get the next one.
Sure.
No, forget about this. That's really cool. I think like also in the Sleep.io, remember like you could get like smaller and then you could go faster. Exactly. I wonder if Radio Biscuit got inspired by that.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Game. Yeah. Pretty cool.
Alright, let's go into Honey
Right,
Bear.
let's go. John is typing.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm fine. That's about SCP. Oh, I like this one because the particles are so satisfying.
Yeah.
Like they're just like flying out. Like they do look like honey in a way.
Yeah, no, it's great use of particles.
Are these like particles, or I wonder how he's done it. Someone should keep track of all of the scores that Jason has, and like when the stream ends, you just show up with screenshots of higher scores. Cool. Yeah, that's
awesome.
Nice. Yeah, Radio Biscuit got lots of games.
Exactly.
Now.
Oh, I think there's one more game.
Mm-hmm.
Well, two more. Yeah, this last one is still early whip, so we can just quickly show it. But of course, very. This one you gotta like, keep the flies away. I think. Oh no, you clean the course, but stay away from the fly. I think. Yeah. Get another animal theme. I believe that the backgrounds are generated too.
It's really fun. I actually asked Radio Biscuit and I said, how do you find inspiration for your games? And I don't remember what he replied. Yeah, sorry. No, I think it's definitely just, like creativity. It's just like trying like all of the ideas. It's just so fun how Rosebud can easily like help super creative users like that.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Oh, yeah. I think we have two more, like this one and the circle, like the spinner thing.
Oh, yeah, spinner one, yeah. This one is pretty simple. It's just a whip right now. You got your cool character here, and then I think this might be generated procedural because it just keeps going. There's obstacles like that, fall, tumbling one. There's like a big bear as well. I think it's just you're gonna be collecting these lemons. Are those lemons? I'm not sure.
Chat, please help us out. Like boosting engagement. Are these lemons? Who is jumping? What is happening? Please help us. So I found what Radio Biscuit replied. So I asked him, I need to know, how do you come up with these concepts for games? And he said, I'm really into natural history and how everything is connected in different ways, people being a small part of it, such as the metaphorical horse fairy. It's about the horse fairy thing. Yeah. This answer fits the variety of the games that Radio Biscuit offers on Rosebud.
Right.
Yeah. Cool. And then there's the spinning wheel of fortune.
Yeah, actually, I don't think that's here either, so I don't know if you want to link that.
Oh, I think, you know what? Yeah, we will link it, but also some of the games were made after the date when we collected everything, so that's good. They're going to make the next stream. All right, thank you so much, Radio Biscuit. It's really nice.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, now we have the Carbonator by Lucas and CoCo. This was from.
Oh, nice.
Yes, this is like a mini game from the winner of the Jam. I always forget the name of that game.
The Terra's Fate?
Yes. Oh, sorry, what you say?
Yeah, Terra's Fate.
Yes,
also,
Terra's Fate,
CoCo
sorry.
is here.
Exactly. Yeah, CoCo's here.
Hey, what's up?
Awesome. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good, thank you. Sorry, I'm on my laptop right now. I'm on vacation, but happy to join in and talk about the game.
Nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, we have mini games here, but I think we'll also have the main game as well. So,
Yeah, so this game right here, it was all Lucas. He made the game in a separate scene, he used just a regular template, and he would provide me scenes for these mini games. So the Carbonator is one of them. You get to vacuum up carbon. You have to vacuum up like 15 of them, and you win. Otherwise, if you vacuum too much oxygen, you lose. But there are multiple mini games in that entire game called Pathfinder, Terra's Fate. Most of it was designed by Lucas. He was the brains behind the operation. I just kind of pieced it all together, designed the threat level and the threat bar, and made it so that one scene could call into these other scenes, these other mini games. The idea here is you're able to talk to Leafy, and as you suggest good responses, he's supposed to direct you to create these good responses to create better impacts for the environment. You have Blorg here who will just insult you as you make these responses, or agree with you if you choose to make a bad response. But as you make good responses, your threat level will go down. And as your threat level goes down, you get these other mini games like the Carbonator here. But there are two other ones. There's a win and a lose screen. And the idea here was just to promote like a conversation on how to promote a better environment for Earth, using Blorg and his villains as different environmental impacts like pollution or trash or smog. But yeah, this was a lot of fun to create, and it was a lot of fun to collaborate with Lucas because he was very organized, very fun, and he just had a really creative mind.
this is super exciting. This is a lot of fun. Also, a lot of just things to manage. A lot of like even like you have so many mini games, and like the game itself is so polished, and it's just. I think it's for the first time like we're seeing a collaboration like that, and it makes sense. Usually game designers are, I guess like Lucas was someone who designed like the game and how like he imagined it to work, and then you were a developer right here, and you helped him just turn his ideas into life. So yeah, I remember being on the first hangout where Lucas discussed it. And I think like the whole team definitely already like knows. I've always like bringing this up how Lucas like came in with a presentation ready about this game and how he wanted to build it. So yeah, it definitely looks like he was very organized and like he had a vision here, and you've implemented it perfectly.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah,
it was a lot of fun. He was very organized, and that's what really helped with making this game. This minigame right here is a lot of fun because it's also AI integrated. So in theory, each question you're getting is all should all be different,
I didn't know that.
including the answers. Sometimes it's not 100%, but it's still pretty cool.
No, it is amazing. It's so pretty cool. It's amazing. I think CoCo, you're like amongst a few of users who really like mastered Chat Manager and like how to integrate AI in their games. So it's just amazing to see what can be done.
Working with the Chat Manager has been a lot of fun, and all the tutorials Jason has put out has made it super helpful for anybody to start out and learn, because I just started out learning coding not too long ago with AI. Rosebud has been super helpful with just starting with the phaser environment, and it just got bigger and bigger. So it's a lot of fun.
And the progress is also visible, which is, I guess,
Yeah,
the
it gets
most
better.
exciting. Yeah, because we all can see how your games get better, how you're like standing, and what you even creatively thinking of implementing gets super good. Yeah, just
Yeah,
really
like
nice that we can show everything on Discord and everyone can see the progress here.
Yeah, it's fun because as you grow, you're also growing with Rosie. As Rosie gets better, yeah, every day it just gets better and better.
That's really cool. And we hopefully are going to improve Rosie to match your creative ambitions for sure. And every aspect of it, especially the chat manager. Yeah,
Absolutely, that'll be awesome.
nice. Jason, you won as we
Yes.
were talking.
Ooh.
Yeah, you're good job, guys. This is the game you should be actually like trying to win, save the planet,
Yeah.
and not just stay in the circle, right? No,
Yeah.
just joking. That game is also fun, but yeah,
It's all fun.
save the planet. Play the winner of our educational game jam. Yeah, thank you so much, CoCo. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, and thank you so much, Lucas, too. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Again, we don't want to understate that this is crazy. This game, how
It
this
is.
many things are hooked up. It feels like there's 5 games here, but there's only one.
Yes.
Very impressive.
Everyone, please play. Roberto is going to send the link for the full game, and we can move on
All right.
to the next ones.
Sure. Let me hop back up here very quickly. Nice. Okay. Next we have AI or Real by AdamMady.
I saw AdamMady somewhere over here. He was just here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but yeah, we will attack him. Maybe he will return.
Okay. This game's cool.
Cool.
Yes, let me refresh maybe. Yeah, shows an image. You gotta guess. See how good you are checking whether it's a stock photo or AI generated. I guess we can have audience guesses. What do you think, Ferda?
Oh yeah, totally. And team.
Yeah.
Everyone, please guess. What is this photo? Is it real or AI generated? People who are working directly with AI should just, from our team, like people you should be guessing 100% for sure. Rosie should know. AI. Let's see. What's this AI, Jason?
Me, I'm guessing.
What do you think? Yeah, by the way.
Oh, I'm kind of unsure. The waves on the right, I don't know. They look a bit weird to me, but let's say maybe generated.
Huh. Let's see.
I'm guessing AI generated.
Yeah, let's click AI generated.
Hey.
Alright, this was AI generated. Nice. Guys, let's do a sanity check. What is this one? Yeah, to me too, it looks like AI, like
Yeah.
100%. Very AI. AI.
Hey. Nice.
CoCo is saying, okay, now that's definitely
Real.
that's a very funny joke. Oh,
What?
nice. This should be a stock photo, guys.
This is weird. I haven't seen anything like this. Oh,
That's cool. That's a stock photo
Yeah.
for sure.
stock photo.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, 3 for 3.
Correct. But that's a funny one. That's a funny one to include. Oh my god.
Yes. I think we know the answer.
Yeah, I think so. It's definitely stock. Was it stock?
No, I thought it was. Oh,
No, me too. I also thought this was a. Alright, this is definitely the last one that we're showing.
all right. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Thanks.
Cool game
everyone.
though.
Yeah. Look, by the way, like the elephants were also in the last one. So I guess that's some theme going on as well.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to the next one. I'm just trying to distract everyone from
Sure. Okay.
From the very real stock photo.
All right. So you want to be a comedian by Lucas. In this game, you type like a comedy sketch, your best joke in here, and then the audience reacts. You can judge whether you're actually good enough to be a comedian.
Huh. Do you have jokes prepared, Jason?
No. Let me think. If anybody has a good idea for a joke, I can...
Yeah, what's your favorite one-liner, everyone? That's really intimidating, though. Look. You're just like, this is the perfect image for this.
Everybody's judging you.
Yes. Just write something super bad. Oh, yeah. Vaser is saying 2 peanuts were walking down the street. Remember that one? Oh my god.
Okay, classic joke.
Why did the chicken, cross the road? To get to the other side. Punchline.
Simple joke, good enough. That's a classic, I like it. Oh wow, very big crowd.
We should rehearse our streams here in front of this audience.
You test all the jokes. You can test the
leeway.
Harambe joke that you said, Freda.
Me? It was John, not me.
Oh, he's done that. Oh, you made a joke about that too, right? Okay, maybe.
Yeah. Actually, Liwei has a bunch of jokes, and the last one he wrote, I told my suitcase there would be no vacation this year. Now I'm dealing with emotional baggage.
Nice. Let's do that one.
Yeah.
What? Okay, the drunk was happy, but John was not happy.
That's sad. John is tired from work, so can confirm that. All right, let's move to the next one. Thanks, Lucas.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I like the idea.
It's really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if that's like from personal experience. Is Lucas a comedian? Maybe he does a couple of shows on the weekends. I have no idea.
Open mics on the weekend.
Harwell, you wrote a really big joke. You should just input it in the game. Roberto should send the link, and then you'll be able to see it for yourself. It's just like a hook for you to actually play these games. Cool, yeah. Let's go to the next one.
Turn-based Hooligans by Lucas. Yeah, this is also another early work in progress. It's cool to show it. Yeah, it's like the start of like a turn-based game here. You choose an attack, and then you can see the damage done to the health.
Oh, nice. Yeah, remember this one too.
This is a good start. Yeah, pick yourself back up after you lose. Yeah,
that's cool.
It's a good start for turn-based attack system. Nice. Again, Lucas has lots of soccer-themed games. The next one is too, if I head over to it. Yep, all-out attack, the other soccer game. In this game, like, you're running away from getting a yellow or red card. You know, knocking around these football... football or soccer, depending where you are.
It's like how Americans see soccer.
Yes.
It's like running from the judges, or like, how are they called? Referees,
yeah.
And yeah.
If you get a red card...
That's it. And then you get like a big fake paycheck at the end.
Exactly.
You are the champion.
Yeah, if you get the 2 yellow cards, that's a red card. If you get a red card, straight up. So realistic.
Cool.
Alright, nice.
Who is the main guy though? Chat identify. Who is this guy? It doesn't look like someone. I'm not sure. I'm going to say that it's not super famous, and then people are going to say you don't know this and this guy. Cool. Yeah, let's go to the next one.
Sure.
Maybe that's Lucas, guys.
Alright, then we have 2D platformer by SkillSamurai. I think this is the first game.
I also remember he said that he followed Phaser tutorial, since 2D Playground is made on Phaser, and Phaser has some tutorials for beginner games, so this was, his first try at making the game with Phaser. That's really cool.
Did a good job.
Yeah.
This is great. Yeah, you collect all the stars.
Yeah.
Every time you collect all the stars, the new stars show up, and then there's like this ball here that's gonna kill you, so you gotta make sure you don't touch it.
Yeah. It looked so not like menacing at the start. I just wanted to collect it, and I learned really fast.
Yes.
That's really fun. Yeah, good job. Skilled Samurai, I think.
SkillSamurai, yes.
Nice.
Awesome.
And really cool resource as well for people wanting to experiment with some concepts that were already, mapped out by Phaser.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. Nice.
And next we have Cookie Clicker by marktepalenko, if I pronounced that correctly.
Correctly. I confirm.
Oh, thank you. Right, so we got a click here. I haven't played, so I don't know if there's any upgrades to it. We click this. Yugthebug. Didn't Yugthebug post some kind of a screenshot of some crazy amount of clicks on this?
Really?
Yeah.
That's really fun.
It was like impossible amount of clicks, so I'm not sure how. I'm guessing some kind of.
Hi Venom. Yeah, for sure. And like, I wonder if that's his friend or something.
Oh.
Like Cookie Clicker.
Oh, go on. Sorry.
Auto-click macro, Vaser is saying.
Exactly. But actually, now I've seen it. I didn't even know that this would increase my clicks, so maybe that's what happened. It's upgrading.
That's nice. Cool. Yeah. Really nice, because I think actually one of the first games that I built myself on but was a Cookie Clicker.
Right, yeah.
And I made a video tutorial about that like super early in the day. So it's definitely like a very like just enticing, I guess, like concept to try out. Especially like when 2D Phaser, it like starts with this like one logo bouncing around, and I think Cookie Clicker probably like the first thing that comes to mind. At least, that was the case for me.
Exactly, yeah.
Cool. Nice. Yeah, let's go to the next one.
Sure. Next we have Card Swipe Template by moderator LaughingMan.
Oh my god, Harwell said, Jason, click the stove twice if you're being held hostage by Rosie. I guess we'll never know. We'll never know.
It's too late for me to signal for help.
No, you cannot go back for undisclosed reasons. I remember this one, concept. This is like a building block which would be cool to help people start. I think like we've got definitely like a handful of users who like come in and ask about card games. So wondering if that would help anyone. At least like the animation is cool. Also, which is, can you try and dismiss cards, Jason? Move them to different like directions. You just hold them, and do it. And try different directions. Basically, I asked, it was LaughingMan. So I said, cool project. And he said, I built it like entirely with Rosie, and I don't even know how like gesture detection works. Like how she did it. So that's just really exciting. Like when something magical like this is just implemented and you didn't even think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Oh, CoCo is saying, I'll be using this for a future card game I want to make.
Nice.
That's cool. Rosie saying, almost perfect. Rosie is a perfectionist? Who would have guessed? Yeah, CoCo said Rosie is perfect. Sure, get the good cred here, and then in actual game dev chat, you can be honest.
All of a sudden, CoCo's like getting faster responses than everybody else.
Oh, yeah. Huh, wonder why. Nice. All right, thank you, LaughingMan. I'm really happy that LaughingMan is like back and making new projects.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because LaughingMan is one of our OG creators. Also, go to rosebud.ai/blog and you'll be able to see his success story at Rosebud and how he built games at Rosebud. Oh, GeekyGhost.
Yes, all the GeekyGhost projects. First one is Test 1 Darwin. This is one of the first projects. I think actually this is the first project they made. It was like a test for the controls. So yes, turtle, you're just trying to jump around in an aquarium. Oh, this might be the... Yeah.
That's really cool.
I see.
I mean, that's peaceful. And he, meant it as, a project to test some controls and stuff, and he was satisfied. By the way, GeekyGhost always posts his different workflows. He's definitely an AI enthusiast. He's just, making crazy workflows with different assets and stuff. He even made his own, voice assistant. Just look around for his threads and everything. He's super helpful as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, just really cool. He's sharing his knowledge. That's just incredible. Yeah, CoCo is saying Geeky might just be an AI himself, to be honest. For sure, yeah. We cannot just rule it out, yeah. This is Mr. Fox.
Yep, another GeekyGhost project.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is all created with GeekyGhost cool workflows. You can see the whole process.
Nice.
Yeah,
he has his own workflow for sprite sheets, right? With Comfy UI, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Yeah.
Nice, all of the sounds.
Yeah, nice.
Also, sounds are also he generates sounds with AI too. Yeah, I think he hangouts in chat AI game dev. Yeah. Oh my god, suspiciously furry. Yeah, that's really nice. Also, I remember this thing with the coordinates. I'm not sure if GeekyGhost started it or someone. Cool idea about displaying coordinates so that when you're building a game, you can actually see. I think, I'm not sure. Maybe I'm I'm mistaken.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, was that GM? I'm trying to remember.
Oh yeah, probably, or maybe GM. But yeah, it's used here as well.
Yes, yeah, it's a cool feature.
Yeah, that's nice. Is being super scared by Rosie right now in chat, so I don't know what to say to you. It keeps getting better and scarier. Cool. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Oh, one more. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, it's mesmerizing. Just play any music to it and just chill. Jason, are you stunned by the visuals or maybe your microphone working?
Oh, yeah, I was a bit mesmerized.
No worries, yeah.
Hypnotized by the rotation.
Happens.
No, I was trying to say that this is third test by GeekyGhost. The testing, it was testing orbiting around here.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it's actually orbiting.
Yes.
Oh, this one, yeah, the Earth.
Exactly.
Nice. Cool. And the music is, fitting.
Awesome.
Nice. Harwell needs a wiki for Rosie lore. Harwell, you should start it because it's just starting Rosie's lore is only big. You can be the first, like the historian of Rosie.
Yeah, new role in Discord, a Rosie Scholar.
Yeah, oh, totally. We can do that. Great.
Awesome.
Yeah, let's go over to the next one.
All right. Phaser RPG template. Oh, so maybe it was Geeky then.
Yeah.
This is the earliest
I think,
project I remember having this.
Yeah, I think people were just like actively discussing this.
Yeah, maybe it was discussion, yeah.
And yeah, I think someone had even
Earlier?
like some hack who shared like a hack where they even like somehow tied like your cursor and then like everywhere you point you actually get coordinates. That's also quite simple, but yeah, also cool.
Nice. This also has controller support, which is cool.
Yeah, I remember this was like a big thing for him too, like
Yeah.
having controller support. CoCo is saying game jam theme, the backstory about Rosie.
Oh, well.
I wonder what it is. We'll see in the next hint, the second hint that is going to drop soon. Yeah, let's go over to the next one.
Okay. Yeah, this is might be the first controller supporting project. It's pretty much the regular voxel template, but has controller support, which is cool. Can't
Nice.
download that right now. I don't have my controller. But...
Yeah, just imagine like in your head that Jason is holding a controller. Yeah, thank you so much, GeekyGhost.
Yes, thank you. Awesome. All right, now we have Doodle Jump by Darwin 1392.
Yay.
There we go. It's awesome.
Doodle Jump, yes.
Yeah, that green thing that launches you. I keep missing it, but
You know what I think we should do? We should have some sort of like a checklist or like bingo where we mark off every type of like popular game when it's made on Rosebud. For example, like maybe not like a game, but like a genre maybe. For example, like Cookie Clicker and like this type of Doodle Jump platformer or something. I think that could be fun and like people could keep like scores.
yeah,
and-
actually, we already have Fruit Ninja done. That was by like D-Nick, I think.
Yeah, and we should aim to have like certain types of like genres.
Like collect, like kind of like Thanos collect all the Infinity Stones.
Oh yeah. And then we can have some sort of celebration or like cool thing to celebrate. It's pretty cool because like when I'm seeing I think also Lucas also joked about like when are we getting Doom on Rosebud? So yeah, it should probably be the end goal, right? Running Doom like game,
Yeah.
like having that on Rosebud.
Look,
But,
RB already faked 3D with the obnoxious thing with the car. You could have faked that to do.
Yeah. For sure. Cool. Nice. Thanks. What's the username? Dark Nog
Yes.
and numbers.
Darnok 1392.
Thank you.
Great. Next we have Procedural Village by Zichael. I don't know how to pronounce that, but Zichaelpath.
Zykel. It's like
Zykel.
Michael, but with Z.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Zichaelpath.
It's just they submit how to pronounce their usernames. That's why I know how to pronounce every game, every username.
Oh, nice, really cool. I didn't know that.
No, that's a joke.
Oh.
I ask Rosie. That's fine.
Nice. Okay, so we have Procedural Village. This game is cool. There's different images that can be for each building, and then when you refresh the project, there's different ones there. So this is a good start for a procedural project, just randomization that works.
Cool. Yeah. again, like a lot of exciting, like interesting ideas it could with this one, like I don't know, assigning like a house to someone or like matching people to houses probably.
Yeah.
But yeah, really cool.
Exactly. You can make like certain houses be like super rare so that somebody can brag, I got the rare house.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you, Zichael.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, definitely. CoCo is saying, I was so excited to see him pull this. Love to see him expand on it more. Yeah, me too. Also, Zichael is super active in Discord as well. And he has been sharing about Rosebud on his LinkedIn. So it's really cool that he is spreading the word about Rosebud everywhere. So thank you so much, ZichaelPath.
Oh, wow, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. I have to say that Vaser just said that I'm just a genius at pronouncing. Yeah, I guess so. I
can't argue.
Should host my own classes.
I'll
yeah,
join
let's
the class.
go.
Yeah. Okay. Music.
Oh, Harwell started Rosie's lore.
Oh, really?
Oh my god. That's so nice. Thanks, Harwell. It's going to grow so fast. Just you wait. You're going to be just spending like nights writing everything. You can, by the way, you can just ask Rosie some stuff. I guess some basic stuff for sure. Other stuff she might be like super cryptic about, but yeah, you should try that. All right, music visualizer. Oh, MagicalBlueberry.
Oh yes, yeah. This should have been brought up to the other projects, but here we go. Yeah. Oh, loud.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
This is really cool, yeah.
No, that's just next level. Nice.
The color in the background is super cool too. And when it gets dark.
That's nice. We should bring back musical like visualizers everywhere. I can hear the music, CoCo. I'm not sure why you can.
Oh, you can hear?
Can anybody hear it? Oh, that's strange. Leeway cannot. Where am I hearing it from?
Is it too quiet?
That's strange. Oh no, I guess some people can actually hear it. Not sure. Maybe some settings. Yeah. Pretty nice.
Oh yeah, super cool.
Cool. Thank you, MagicalBlueberry. Really nice.
Yeah, here's Burst by...
Didn't we play Burst? Didn't we play Burst on the other stream?
Oh, actually we did.
Or maybe not. Maybe I'm forgetting.
I feel like we did. I feel like I remember. Actually, I'm not sure now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one that's... Yeah, I could we just quickly do it. It's the one that I was mentioning before, that Fruit Ninja. A bit. Click the crystals quickly, but don't click the skull. So if you're too fast, you accidentally click the skull,
yeah.
then you lose.
Yeah.
I wonder if the Nick's gonna upgrade this. Nice.
Cool.
Alright.
D-Nick, thank you so much.
Yes.
That's exciting. Also Scout, so must be one of his first games.
Yes.
At least like in the... Yeah.
Alright, multiplayer PvP prototype by yugthebug. So in here, I'm pretty sure this is actually early whip, but I'm not sure. Shoot.
That's really nice. Yeah, users have been starting to make games with this Playroom kit that supports phaser, and it supports multiplayer, so it's just really cool too. GM, one of our winners for the education jam, is like the master at it, so if you want to ask questions or you're interested in it, definitely like ping him about that. But yeah, maybe we can also do some quick tutorial on this sometimes
Yeah,
too.
that'd be awesome.
But yeah, it's pretty interesting.
All right. Let's move on. Oh, we have the AI character project. Yeah, a lot of these are super cool.
Oh yeah. By CoCo. I remember this one. It's like swaps. Yeah, that's really cool. I already had so many ideas, like based on just this one, like how it's different characters.
Yeah, and this one, let's go in here. This character, Marvin, the machinist, and then you can then swap to other characters. So I said, like, just say, hey, see that Marvin responds. Let's give it a few seconds. There you go. Hope you're ready for a crash course in the latest advancements in technology. Got some fascinating projects in the works, but if you click swap, I have a new character here. If I talk again, now it's this new character responding. Yeah, super cool. Let's wait for it to start. Yeah, Greg the banker.
That's really cool. And it's saving chats everywhere, right? You can swap up to that character again, like to the mechanic, for example.
Yes. So you can see that Greg the banker's responding.
What's the coolest thing about money? Oh my god. Thanks, Greg the banker.
Yes. Beatrix the trickster.
Oh yeah, I see. It's all in one chat. Yeah. Nice. That's really cool. CoCo, like, good job with this one, definitely. It's also like a component for other people to try and build on as well.
This is like part of the projects that Friday was mentioning that's been great for kind of like user-submitted stuff.
Nice. Yeah, let's check out the next game.
With Andy in April by
Oh,
CoCo.
yeah.
Flip going down. Alright. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'll need to refresh.
Nice. Hey there, I'm Andy. Nice to meet you. You want to hear maybe a lay song? Yeah, and this project's super cool because it has two different characters and it swaps on its own between them. I don't know what makes sense for the show to say.
We can just say, hey, I just wanted to talk to April. She's not here right now? What? Oh, she's here. Oh my god. Phew.
Nice.
I'll stick around, just don't expect me to sing along. I think it also plays music, CoCo, like the specific song that Andy plays on his guitar.
Well, actually, I haven't seen
Let's
that.
ask to... Yeah, I think so. Play a song. Oh yeah, when Andy's out, it plays 1000 Candles.
Nice, yeah, the two of them responded, which is cool.
That's fun. Oh yeah, mention 1000 Candles then. Please. I love the sprite change.
Awesome.
Ghosted. I think like the music stopped, but the other one didn't start playing, right?
Yeah, it did really stop, so maybe it was trying to play.
Yeah. Tough crowd, I think, is just maybe doesn't want to do it actually. Yeah, CoCo is saying this needs more work. This is already pretty cool.
Yeah.
Interchanging between characters.
Yeah, and the sprites too of like
Yeah, with
multiple per
dialogue.
character.
Yes, it's really cool. Thanks, CoCo.
Awesome. If you have Harry Potter chatbot by
Oh yeah, I think all of the other ones are chatbots right
Yes.
now,
I
right?
think so, yes, we have
Oh yeah. I think we can let users play these
yes.
on their own. Sure. Roberto can send the links for Harry Potter chatbot and the
Star Wars
other one
chatbot.
was which is Star Wars chatbot.
Exactly.
Nice.
Alright, and then we have top 5 games already played one, but Pathfinder, Terra's Fate are the top 5 games for the week of AI Game Jam. We have Pathfinder, Terra's Fate, we played it, it's super cool. We have Assisted Charade by GM67, super fun. It's a game, I don't know if people are going to join, but this is a game where you type in a secret word, then the AI creates a kind of like a riddle for people to guess what your word was, and if they get it right, then they get a point.
I think Roberto should definitely share a link and we can at least me, Roberto, and
Sure?
yeah, let's play this one. I remember when we played all together, it was like, yeah, it was chaotic to get, but then when we finally got it, it was super fun.
Goes in. I'll wait for it.
Yeah, let's wait a little bit. I'll join too.
Bat 87.
Guys, join us. This is Charade.
Phasor.
No, I got such a cool profile pic, but then I accidentally randomized it.
Oh,
That's fine.
Frida.
Oh, I'm here. Yeah, I think we can already start. So let's instruct everyone. We should now input any secret word here
Yes, I think I have to do start
in
first.
the box, right?
There we go.
Oh yeah?
So picks a user to be the one who's going to do the secret word. Oh, who's going to be on stage? Yeah, you can type your secret word right now, just so when it's your turn, you're ready.
Yeah, type it in.
Music instrument.
Time to guess CoCo's secret word. Oh my god, somebody already got it. I didn't even have time to
Oh,
read.
yeah, I didn't read that time.
Alright, let's keep going.
Yeah, I did an easy one. So.
Enjoy contentment. Alright. Venom is saying, why am I getting ignored? Join in, Venom. I think there's like a limit, right? 5 people only.
Oh, really?
Laser secret word. Yeah. Sound that echoes, it's spelling words that mimic buzz or splash. Can be both an object and... Who guessed it?
I don't know.
What was the score? Yeah, the link is over here. You can join with the link. A large round orange fruit.
Hey, you got it.
Oh my god, I got it, finally.
Yes.
I love how it says, alright, that's enough. Jason's secret word.
Did anyone get it?
I'm not sure, I was trying.
Oh man, yeah, it was star.
I wrote star, but should I have done it with the like all caps
I
or
think it's
something?
lower caps.
Oh.
What? I thought I got it. Oh no. I think it might. Yeah, caps might be involved.
Oh.
Let's just try to do
It was
lowercase.
like-
Yeah.
Oh, it's my secret word.
Yay.
That was quick. Easy. Alright, that's cool, guys. After this one, after the stream, you can definitely just join with your friends and play this one. It's quite cool. And it was also made like with AI. Like everything that you're writing is turned into a riddle by AI.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, thank you so much for joining,
Yes, thank you.
playing this one.
Next we have Ferment by Adam and Clayton. This game has a super cool style.
Cool.
Want to learn about fermentation, the flavor, the culture, the magic. Click here to begin. You're about to learn about fermentation from a talking kimchi. We cannot guarantee that all information will be correct or safe. Please do further research before trying any recipes at home. So you have a talking jar of kimchi. Named Lactobo. And all these assets here you see are made by Adam and Clayton, hand drawn and animated, which is super cool.
Yeah. CoCo is also saying it's really cool. I think also like for every question you ask or something like that, you get a badge or similar.
Right, or left. Let me type some.
Yeah, tasty, yum.
For once, like detailed discussion about cheese.
Nice.
Depends on your taste preferences. Try some aged Gouda or Parmesan if you like sharp and tangy. If you prefer creamy, try green. Okay, I don't even know some of these.
Nice. Guys, talk to the jar of kimchi.
Lactobo.
Check it out. Lactobo. Nice, thank you, Adam and Clayton. Really cool.
Awesome.
Again, like also one of those game developers who has a distinctive style because of the assets. Yeah,
Exactly, yeah. Super distinctive.
he makes himself cool.
Alright, we have Village Scholars by Game Jam Pioneer ghosx.
Yay!
This is awesome, yeah. Like it's a super cool top-down project. You walk around the village and talk to different people who know different things, and you can talk to them about your favorite subject. Heck,
Nice engineering.
tech, ever. It's hard to pinpoint the best piece of tech. Depends on the context. If you're talking about groundbreaking advancements, the mention of the personal computer, you have good answer. Internet, smartphones, and AI.
Yeah.
Cool. Then we can then leave, say hi to history and culture wizard.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Great one. Why is history so hard to remember? History is not hard to remember. That's where it should have ended, right? Like, I'm sorry, it's not hard to remember.
Yeah, I don't wanna
I'm a
talk
history
anymore.
and culture guy. Like, that's cool. Yeah, that's really nice. Like, just NPC town. It's really fun. And imagine this was multiplayer, huh? Who is going to develop this one? I'm just like dropping as many ideas as hoping someone has the skill to make it work. I have my own checklist, guys. I'm just trying to be natural with asking for those things. Finally, I can say this. Cool. Yeah, thank you so much, ghosx. He also participated in the jump before that, but yeah, this is really cool.
Awesome. I like the animation too.
Let's go to the next one.
Alright, you have AI by shawnBuilds. Oh, actually, this should have been... Okay, no, never mind. I understand. Right. Okay, let's go in here. Your little sister Lucy has gone in AI for Christmas, and now that the school semester has started, she needs help more than ever. Not sure that it would make a good tutor. You promised to program the AI to help with anything she wants to learn today. So this is super cool. So pretty much, it's just your sister. She's going to be teach to learn some stuff. And down here is basically the programming for the AI that's going to teach your sister. The default is that the responses are short, friendly, and helpful. So I run. Sorry, hold on. She says, "Hi, I'm practicing to write a step-by-step explanation for..." Practice question is, how do you tie shoelaces step by step? My explanation feels bad and I want help. Here's what I wrote. Take your laces and cross them and then make a loop and then pull them tight. The tutor says, "Hey, I'm happy to help you improve your explanation. Here's a more detailed and friendly version." And then this response where you can see down here that Lucy was a bit confused. Maybe it was a bit too concise. She said that it's like they're talking about tying shoelaces on the spaceship or something. I don't get it, can you understand better? And she's not happy about it in the image. You can see. Go in here and type something else. So you say your responses are super easy.
Yeah, and you basically edit the prompt. Yeah, which is... Yeah, the interface looks like busy, but it's a really cool idea where you're basically trying to prompt engineer the AI to do a specific task to help this girl, like your sister, so that she can do, so that you can slack off and not help your little sister with work. Yeah.
Right, so
And make kids happy. This is like OP tactics.
optimized, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Okay, he said, I had to write about what I want to be. Oh, sorry, I didn't. She's happy, so let's see what she said. I had to write about what I want to be when I grow up. I want to be a scientist because I love trying new things. Help me rewrite it so it makes sense. She said, "Hey there, that's a great goal to have. Being a scientist is super cool because it involves exploring new ideas, discovering how things work, just like when you mix different stuff together, right? So for your project, you could say something like, as I envision my future, I see myself as a scientist." Yeah, and then the rest of the answer, and then Lucy's, "Oh, thank you for the help." Oh, that worked, okay. As I imagine my future, I see myself as a scientist, always eager to learn and discover new things. And now she's very happy about that one. Great, and then of course...
That's really cool.
You can also be like, oh, go on further.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to suggest. Yeah.
Alright.
Nice.
Let's try that. I wrote a paper about how to use AI for learning. He helped me make it catchy. And a tutor said, of course, how about unlocking the potential AI-powered learning strategies for an important age? And then Lucy said it's too complicated. So, not the most helpful.
Cool. Nice. That's great. shawnBuilds. But by the way, like this, I just told everyone that shawnBuilds, like, he makes games that are difficult that have geometrical shapes. Right? It was Sean, right?
It was, yeah.
Anyway, forget about it. This is one of his earliest works, though.
This is before Sean
Yeah.
Builds chose the style, yeah.
All right, let's go to the next one.
Okay, well, we have game updates from Don't Press the Button, War Crisis Radar, and Evening's Embrace.
That's really nice. Yeah, we want to make some plays for some updates because we know that some users really work really hard to update their games that they already made and like we showcase. So let's make sure, yeah, to check them out too.
Alright, yeah. Let's open up Don't Press the Button. Nice. Have cool language options here.
Yeah, this is like super cool.
Yeah. Particularly English. Nice logo reveal. Yeah, there's some cool different events that CoCo added that can happen with the button presses. Do not press the button. Look, a visitor, what a surprise. I see you eyeing that button. I wouldn't if I were you. Bet you can't hold up. Keep clicking the button and follow. Uh-oh.
This was when I like lost a bunch of times. I was so angry at this button.
yeah.
Like all of these comments. Yeah.
Okay. I thought I was done.
Oh my god. You're sweating.
You have to get lucky. To stay in the center. No, wait. Stop. Stop. No, wait. What?
I think CoCo cranked up the difficulty before the stream for sure.
I thought I was done.
Oh,
Maybe when
look.
Oh.
Try click. Oh my god, what's that? What's that? That's another button in the portal? Huh.
I'm clicking this. Although, please don't
my
press that
God.
button. It's not what you think. Stop. You have no idea what you're doing. This is a one-way ticket to I don't even know where. Please think this through. The light is so blinding. Farewell, cruel world. Tell my mother I love her and that I didn't mean to get sucked into a portal today.
Oh my god.
Boom.
Incredible.
That was weird, wasn't it? Back to normal, I suppose. Nice, so I can skip that. Follow the button.
Cool.
Right, I think there's one more new one. Let's change the Oh!
Oh no.
Alright.
Look, try clicking it. Oh, you're still doing it. One time. Oh, we'll have to do the portal again. No. Only one existential crisis per stream.
Yes. Okay, hopefully you don't get that again.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's really cool. Like, you can go ahead and, like, you can have unique events.
Exactly. Of course, all of these...
Catch them all and screenshot them all.
Sure,
Yeah.
Actually, that's a good idea. I think some of them are rarer than others. I'm not sure though.
I remember the last one, which was where I got... Oh my god, this one I didn't see. Wait, there's... Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, multiple buttons now. Oh. Also, yeah, I remember Jason, you said in one of the hangouts that this has Stanley Parable vibes.
Yes.
Definitely, for sure.
It
Seem the
does.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never could have thought this one.
Yeah. Also, this one plays really nicely on mobile. And by the way, we do have Rosebud AI app for mobile. So all of the mobile optimized games are now there and they're going to make it there. So yeah, that's an incentive for you to keep making your games mobile optimized too. Cool. I guess like tapping on mobile is like easier.
I'm trying to get the Simon Says.
Mm-hmm.
It's also just the one where the button gets bigger. When right before it bursts, it just turns back to normal. Yes, that was anticlimactic.
Yep.
Yeah, but anyway, definitely recommend playing this if you can get like the more rare.
Yes,
Events.
and send us the screenshots for sure, yeah. And for the rarest screenshot, CoCo is going to send you a real button. Yeah, CoCo is saying there are more unique events. Yeah, actually, it's not then a surprise that this. I think CoCo's this "Don't Press the Button" is one of the also like highest played games, right? At least from what I remember, it's.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, makes sense. It's like super replayable.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, it has 1,200 plays.
Wow. Awesome.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks, CoCo.
Thank you.
This one is actually it's like a component that we already showed on the last stream as well from Cache where it's just he also did a separate component in case like people want to use this as a radar in their own game. It also uses AI, by the way. Remember to guess the location and like some information from it. But yeah, cool. Let's go to the next one.
Yeah, Eden's Embrace.
Yeah, it's also really like a huge project made by Doodle Jump. Yeah, totally. So there are some updates from the last time we checked it out. We should definitely play it.
All right. Make sure the volume's good enough.
Yeah, I'm also inviting Doodle Jump to talk a little bit about this one.
Hi.
Hi, thanks for joining.
I don't know how piece of I'll be. I'm half asleep. Which is fitting. It fits the theme. There you go. It was. I'll be quiet and let you guys play it. And if you've got questions, I can chime in.
I love this art style here. We did cover this before.
Yes, it's amazing. Yeah.
Alright, so enable voice narration.
The evening draws near. Bedtime looms ever closer. It is waiting. You sit in front of the television. Your nightly routine usually ends with you entertaining yourself. You can hear your mother, busy in the next room. She's always busy now, since Dad left. You look down. In your lap is your coloring book. You've found coloring in a nice distraction. Pretending that bedtime isn't ticking closer and closer.
Yeah, for this
where
one, it's
it
definitely like
waits
hard
for
to
you.
comment. You just want to listen. And yeah, the
Yes.
immersion is there with everything, yeah, with visuals and sounds.
What draws your attention?
Yeah, the coloring book or the TV.
Let's do the TV.
You look up, distracted by the television. What is on TV?
I believe that's the Daily Show or movie. Yeah, actually, I'm not sure.
Let's do the I done an adult show. Let's do the
adult show.
news, maybe.
Oh yeah, so yeah, there's a kids cartoon and news as well. News, you said?
Yeah, let's go with news.
You look up at the news broadcast.
Obsessed about it. To go up the mountain. Next exciting episode of.
You always found the news confusing. You're not sure
Yeah,
why
the
Mom
Bob
leaves it on all the time.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
There was
like
some
the-
Cost of living, economy, war.
there was some logic behind where I incorporate color that I can talk about in a bit if you want.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so the
You
general
start to
gist was
feel it overwhelmed.
there was some different ideas that I had about where the story would go depending on some of the decisions that you made. Unfortunately, due to the time constraints that I had with the game jam deadline, I had to prioritize one aspect of the game over the other. This was the aspect of the game that won out. I'm uncertain on whether or not I'll ever get around to the second half because some of the ideas that I've had for that I'm incorporating into more recent projects. But the idea is that the general theme of the game is clearly dealing with anxiety before bedtime, which is something that I have experienced myself, and I wanted to convey that through the eyes of a child who might not necessarily understand some of the complexities of what they're experiencing, which is actually, for instance, talking about the sound design and everything of it. The reason that there's a clock ticking in the background is supposed to be a subtle reminder of that whole time drawing on, drawing near, this progression of time towards something that you're dreading. And then, yeah, the pop of color. There are two distinct colors in the game. There's purple and there's orange, and they have distinct meanings and implications, which I may or may not get around to paying off. But yeah, there is logic that when you see color, it is definitely indicative of a certain experience.
That's really cool. Zichaelpath also shared with us, and people who have chatted with him know that he's a sound designer. So I guess, yeah, it's really visible here, and you can hear like how it is super immersive.
Yes.
It definitely uses sound like super well. So yeah, congrats on that. Super nice.
Exactly. I know it adds a lot.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
The clock chimes, signaling your bedtime. It is here. The chime always gives you a wave of anxiety. Will it be better tonight? Or will it find you? You hear your mother approaching on the wooden floorboards. She's on her way to send you to bed. Why can't she stay busy just a bit longer? What will she think about what's on TV? You hate this part of the evening. You brace yourself as your mother approaches. The door swings open, revealing her. She stands with her hands on her hips before moving towards you. Your mother looks over at the news channel. The broadcast cuts to a shot of a distant country. 17 dead today as the explosion in... rings out from the speakers. Your mom rushes forward, switching off the TV. She turns to face you. It's time for bed. Come on, no complaining tonight, please, she continues. Let's brush those teeth and get some sleep. How do you respond?
We can argue or we can go peacefully.
We should argue.
Sure.
You argue, insisting you don't want to go to bed yet. Why can't I stay up longer, you plead? It's not fair that I have to go to bed so early. You pout, but your mother isn't tolerating it. Now! She states firmly. You hate it when she raises her voice like this. All right, you resign with a sigh. She takes your hand and leads you towards the bathroom. She walks you down the dimly lit hallway to the bathroom. The wooden floorboards are cool and creak beneath your feet. You reach the bathroom door and push it open. You stand in the doorway. Your mom stands behind you, ushering you forward. The mirror shows a reflection that seems more tired than you feel. You reach forward and grab your toothbrush. Bringing it up to your mouth, you begin to brush. How are you feeling while brushing your teeth?
We can stay calm or we can dread sleep.
We can stay calm.
You take a deep breath, staring at your reflection, trying to calm your nerves. There's no reason it has to be so bad again tonight, right? You've had good nights before. Nights when it isn't waiting for you. This could be one of those nights. With each breath, you feel more relaxed and ready for bed. You spit the last of the toothpaste into the sink. After washing your mouth out, you rinse the drain. You step out of the bathroom, taking your mother's hand, and head towards your bedroom. You take a deep breath as you approach. You push open your bedroom door, greeted by the darkness. You step inside, mentally preparing yourself. As your bed comes into view, you feel the weight of the day catch up to you. You're exhausted. Your mother quietly enters the room behind you. She moves to help you get your pajamas and tuck you in. As she smooths the blanket, you begin to settle in. Tucked in your bed, the room around you feels small and suffocating. You look up at your mother. "Can you read me a bedtime story?" you ask. What do you ask your mom to read?
Forgot the Hungry Caterpillar, Goosebumps, a space adventure, or a fairy tale?
A fairy tale
Nice.
about Rosie, the AI.
She pulls one of your favorite fairy tales from the nightstand. Gently, she reads to you, hoping you'll fall asleep. You listen to every word, allowing your imagination to drift away. As the story ends, your mother stands up and returns the book. She makes her way towards the door, lingering for a moment. "Good night, darling," she says sweetly. The room dims as your mother flicks off the light switch. The soft click of the switch seems louder in the newfound silence. You watch as she quietly exits, leaving the door slightly ajar. The room lies dark. Your teddy watches, guarding you. He always watches over you. He protects you. Your eyelids start feeling heavy, and you begin to drift off to sleep.
This is where I was going to expand the game with some consequences to some of the decisions that you make. Not there yet, but maybe one day.
Yeah, well, this is crazy. I
Yeah.
can't believe it. You made this.
One day, at least one day, when we fix the asset tab crash thing, right?
It wasn't until I made this and I made all the narrator lines that I realized, oh, there's a limit on, not a limit, but there's a certain point when the Rosebud website starts to fight back. I don't like this. But yeah, no, it was fun to make. Yeah, it's a bit personal. The concept of when you guys ran the sleep game jam, my mind immediately went to my relationship to sleep and how I can convey a certain tone and message. But ultimately, what I'm trying to hammer home with a lot of the choices that are in there is an approach to mental health, in the sense that it's very easy when dealing with anxiety as a concept to let it run away with you, and you're not necessarily capable of taking a step back and seeing things objectively. So when you convey that through the eyes of a child who might not necessarily know everything that's going on, it's important to be making decisions that are calm, collected, and thoughtful. And as it's hinted in there with the pops of color, and I've got a vignette that plays as well with a certain sound effect, certain decisions are much more likely to set someone off and dealing with certain emotions that they otherwise wouldn't if they'd taken time to think about something and maybe make a different decision. Anyway, that was the whole point of what I was trying to convey.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I remember that was like around like the time we clicked like the news option, right? That was it's very effective. That kind of pressure sound effect.
Yeah, there was a few different instances in there. Choosing to argue with Mum was another one.
Yes, exactly.
That was actually one instance where I didn't manage to get the pop of color that I wanted in there. That was going to be a patch. Again, whether or not I get around to it, we'll see. But the other decisions you made were good ones. I would have said that based on my initial vision of it, you would have gotten a neutral ending. Wouldn't have been good, wouldn't have been bad.
Okay. This is very, very good.
Thank you for the kind words, everyone. I appreciate it.
And I'm thinking of some of the top horror games I played here, and again, a lot of them, the sound design and stuff like that is not should be the first thing they put. You can tell it's not the first thing they put it to focus on, but you can tell that it's definitely something you had in mind from the beginning.
When it comes to sound, it's one of those things where it sometimes less is more. Silence is just as evocative as certain sounds, which I don't know. I hinted at it in the chat there. I have the sound of the clock actually fade out once you get into your bedroom, and that's supposed to be, again, indicative of the fact that you're here, you're facing it, and it's supposed to be, it's like when your mother turns the light off and you're lying in bed and you're just left with your thoughts. That's it. That's all that you're left with. You don't have those lingering sound effects to influence how you think or feel. It is what it is. You're in the moment now. So while I could go through and add sound effects to all the little different things that are in there, I think it feels much more personal when you're just left with the space that you're in, whether there is one little droning clock in the background or the sound of the news or something, just little contextual pieces here and there. That was somewhat intentional, just because otherwise when you're overloaded with certain sounds and feelings and things like that, it detracts from letting you sit in it, at least in my opinion.
Oh yeah, I agree, definitely. It's so subtlety, right?
Yeah, hopefully. There are parts of the game that aren't particularly subtle, but yeah.
Good balance, kind of what you're saying.
Yeah, hopefully.
Great, yeah. If you could pick this up again, I would love to play the update, but yeah, of course, you have lots of cool projects you're working on right now, too.
Yeah, I was planning on using Chatbot similar to what you guys showed off with a lot of CoCo stuff earlier. Similar logic, I was planning on doing some of that at the end there, and again, having those choices factor in. Yes. But as you alluded to, my future projects are going to be that on steroids, so it might be good for me to do that and then maybe come back to this after that. Exactly. Because it would be like doing it on easy mode deal, hopefully, by that point.
Okay. That was Evening's Embrace.
Yeah, thank you so much, ZoneDash, and sharing everything, the philosophy behind the game and just your approach to sound. It was really nice to learn.
Yeah.
Cool. I think this is the last game. Mm-hmm. Right? Thank you everyone for joining. Super long, but really appreciate everyone who just was here with us. This is a big accomplishment. I think for 2 hours we're playing user games, and it's we just talked about this with Jason and our teammates. It's just so surreal having so many games and having to actually need to spend 2 hours to play all of the games that we made. It's just super cool. So thank you, everyone. We really look forward to showcase all of the games and hang out with you here. By the way, Jason is doing hangouts every week on... I always say that wrong because in my time zone, it's like Tuesday and Thursday, but it's actually Monday and Wednesday. Yes. Just don't listen to me. Just go to events and you will see in your own time zone, because for some people like different. And Jason and other active users and game developers whose games you already saw, for example, CoCo and even Delchupanibri and everyone, you just hang around and share their own process with game making. So definitely just an advice for beginners, join those, because this is where the magic happens, collaboration happens. Yeah, so Yeah, thank you so much again, everyone. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. And make sure you check the Game Jam channel for the hints that we're going to drop about the Game Jam. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.